Oppo is introducing its new smartphone A5 Pro. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. It is going to be a modern handgun with all the advanced technology and specifications, making it an ideal choice for today's generation. The Oppo A5 Pro will power off a 2.5 GHz octa-core CPU. Oppo A5 Pro comes with an AMOLED touchscreen display with huge 6.7 inch screen size that can easily create the 80 plus resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels and 120 Hz refresh rate. Oppo A5 Pro is fitted with 8 and 12 GB of RAM and 256 and 512 GB of internal memory capacity. Also, there will be the option of a dedicated memory card slot as well. The dual camera system that the Oppo A5 Pro consists of 50 megapixel main camera with 2 megapixel depth sensor, and at the front there will be a 16 megapixel front snapper. There will be an under display optical fingerprint reader. The battery will be 5840 mAh. That will definitely run the whole day on just one charge. That's all for now and thanks for watching.